Making some oxtails for dinner. Really quick oxtails. Actually, not really quick. The prep is quick. The cooking is a slow breeze. For dinner, no recipe. Gonna show you how I just do things on the fly when I'm like, ooh, I want oxtails. Here we go. Remove the aesthetic photo. Turn the fan on. I did salt them when I got them from the store yesterday, and I've had them with a little bit of salt in this bag overnight. Truffle oil because I have an addiction. Just a little bit. This already smells amazing. Don't want to overcook the little baby ones. Over brown. This little bitty baby. star anise is just becoming a little too fragrant. So I'm going to those. Fine. Of course, it's not gonna. That's a clove, even though it won't focus. This is absolute ridiculously good. Look at these little like lollipop oxtail pieces. The end has this gelatinous collagen like tendon, and it's has like a sticky glaze. Oh my gosh, it's like melt in your mouth, so freaking delicious. So like I had shared in my last vlog, the trees have finally changed color. It's mid-December, but my rose bush back there in the corner also has decided to start blooming, and my clementine tree has a ton of fruit on it. And I even had over here my hibiscus yesterday had a large hibiscus like sunrise mixed color on it. So strange for what, a week away from Christmas.
Okay, but I have a very important question about.
We don't want it too thin. We're gonna go ahead and stop right there.
Do I need anything?
Take a bite.
So pretty. All of our plumerias are getting winterized in the garage. Have no idea what this is. Wow. Wow, this is probably one of the coolest brand gifts aside from my knife set. If you were here for that. This is gorgeous. Large polo travel luggage tote. What is going on in here?
Jedi, you've been practicing.
Time to defrost the pierogies for Christmas Eve dinner.
The seafood pie for girls. Oh, this.
Cheers, Merry Christmas. So I woke up on Christmas Eve, and in the teeny tiny little crack between my blinds and the trees, do you see the hawk just directly in my eyesight? This just got delivered on Christmas Eve. It's a little chargeable lamp. I use these in my kitchen a lot because there's not a lot of natural light, but it's so perfect. It's the literal same color as the wall. I love it. Cute. That's obviously not where it's gonna go. It's gonna go by the stove, but cute. Using these new under eye matcha eye gels for the first time. Super excited. So I'm just putting my hair back out of my face so I can get ready. I got these new matcha eye gels on and they feel incredible. We'll see the results. We're headed to my parents in a little bit to have our Christmas Eve pierogies and Polish sausage Christmas Eve family tradition. Ready to go?
Because tomorrow's Christmas. Oh. This one's from all of us.
He was always ready to go do an adventure. He's always ready to try something else.
So you've lived in a lot of different places and you've been exposed.
Homemade Polish kolaczkis.
I don't know. Merry Christmas, Ranger. Merry Christmas, Ranger. Merry Christmas.
The pierogi bags are out. What are you guys doing over there?
Energy.
Hey, I'm just making trouble. I don't want to get warm. What are you doing?
That's your Christmas present?
No, that was my anniversary Christmas present.
Oh.
Garbage now. You know what? Hey, Ranger.
Open it. Oh, you're getting lazy in your older years, Ranger. What is that? What is that?
Monkey. It's a monkey.
It squeaks.
It's
He's
right
really shocked.
here. Oh, no, that's
Aww.
not a monkey.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
That's not
Let
a
me see.
monkey. That's not her
Let me see. Come. Come here. It looks like a monkey. It's a monkey reindeer. Come here. Come here. Does it squeak? Does it squeak? Sit.
It's a monkey.
Aww. Sit. Sit. Sit.
spicy, and then these are different flavors.
I got some olives, special.
Where are they?
I made sure they weren't hot ones, so you didn't think they're not.
I tried one of those sausages with the cranberry. They're so good.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
They gave me a few of them.
Anybody want ice? You want ice in your drink?
Bella and Nico, how good are your pierogies?
Where's please go, Mary?
Pepperoni stuffed olives?
Yeah. These are at that tower bar. Now some of them might have seeds. Like these might have seeds.
Man,
Include them.
which one's your favorite?
I don't know.
Get to it.
Get it around.
He's trying to get it out.
Fancy.
Pretty. Oh, there's the button.
Okay, Grandpa's opening his. Ranger's like, what?
Did you see this? You do? Well, she wants me to go up and get this thing, and I will. All right, just let me bring it over
What
there.
in the world?
That is too fucking. Oh,
The Mona Lisa.
oh my god.
Danger. What are you doing?
Oh my.
Want me to hold Yoshi?
Hold on.
Ranger's like, I'll help.
A pink table.
It has lights.
You got tape on there? Squishy. Am I supposed to squish it? Yeah.
Let me see.
Her mother is in charge of the AD. That's audio-visual for all.
That's cute.
Good boy, right?
What the?
One of that thing.
Oh, for the ping pong.
And I'll give you the card so you can put it in there.
Oh, this
Those
is
you
so
can make
cute.
your own, like, you put stickers by different
Oh, I love stickers.
recipes, and then. So, like here, this is the first one. This is appetizers.
These are really cute recipe books.
Where were those pictures?
Yeah.
Hey.
Aww. What's going on?
It was the funniest in the world.
It was right on the roof.
Oh my gosh.
Ready, Mar? Come on, Mario.
You gotta move it.
Mario.
I mean,
You have
Turn
to
it on.
you gotta turn it all the way on.
it's off. Oh.
Oh my
Oh my god, my hair.
No! Oh my Oh my goodness.
Isn't that cool? It's just so funny. It's hilarious. It got Mario.
My parents brought their hibiscus inside and they're blooming. It's Christmas and they're blooming. Turn it on.
Yeah, turn it off.
Imagine you had this light up ping pong table in college.
I used to make money at the bus stops, paying the bus drivers Columbia for my ticket.
Playing ping pong?
He's making that up. You're walking or hitchhiking.
Tires.
Rock, paper, scissors. See who goes first. Paper, scissors.
So we gotta
Rock,
behind
paper,
your-
scissors.
behind your hip back, right?
I'm recording though. What?
And then
No. Okay.
you ready?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Wait, you see.
Yeah.
I had paper, so I go first.
You put it back.
She's waiting for me to put my
Okay,
hand
okay,
on. You
okay,
see
okay,
that?
okay, okay. Age goes first. Here.
There's a little penguin on this sled.
Aw, that's cute.
Australia.
No. Santa is in South America.
Can you say hi? Hi. Everyone keeps milk.
Okay, Poppy.
A nice cup
Come on.
of milk. A
Go
nice
downstairs.
cup of milk. A nice cup of
Well, let's pray first.
Oh,
let's-
it's drinking.
Okay, put that away. Let's pray first.
What is it? Why is my name on it? What is this? A fondue machine. Yes. Ho ho. Merry Christmas. Love you, Nico. I may have opened. Okay, what is this? Huh?
Oh, hold on. Let me turn on the Christmas.
It's a Mario castle! It's a Mario castle! Where did this
What?
come? Where did this come from?
That is so cool. Nico.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Love this YouTube channel.
Oh, I need 2 double A's. I forgot for Mario. Oh. Now I'm
Santa knows Bella loves little kitty cats and cute little Japanese style characters. Put your foot on the brake, which is the left one. Put your foot, press on it. Press on
Press
it.
on the brake.
Press on the brake.
This one?
Yes, the left. Yeah, press on it a little.
Scared.
And then press the start button.
Let's start button. This one?
Yes. Press it. Hold it. Or not. There you go. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
let's-
Now get back in your seat. We're waiting for Santiago. Smells amazing.
Oh, I want to see when they're done. We're checking out, like, you know, we'll be on the table when they're done.
Hey, Joe.
Last piece. Last piece.
What?
That's the plate.
This is good.
Green bean casserole is one of my favorites.
Okay, I got the other one there.
That'll, if nobody wins, thank you.
You can probably leave it on.
What's this Tinkerbell? Tinkerbell. I count.
Pulled it out.
Come on in, Nico.
The presents are slowly coming together.
Good job.
Put it in. Put it in. Oh, that's the wrong way. Put it in the right way then.
It's the wrong one.
Yay!
Yeah. Done.
Good job.
Now we gotta put the lights.
Happy Habibi, happy life. Yeah, let's do that.
That looks so cute. Oh my.
Thank you. The potatoes.
Puppy, what's your favorite person in Harry Potter? You know?
Okay, enjoy it.
Thank you. How's your squid salad? Wait till it stops.
Dear customer number 8, your meal has arrived. Please pick it up in time.
Little.
Towards Cesar Chavez in 2nd, 4th Streets.
They still have their Christmas trees up.
At the next one, turn left. At the light, turn left on Chiaster.
G, customer parking.
Arrived.
Right.
Pickled cucumber, pickled radish, and pickled jellyfish.
I don't know about that.
Hey, we resuscitate you if something happens?
It's good. Marinade,
Of course, we
basically.
have our kids try first.
Go ahead, Nico. Always have a pickle and just in case, because you know the pickles taste good. It's delicious? It's good? No, you know what we are? We're sea turtles. That's sea turtle's favorite snack is jellyfish.
one vinegar goes well with the sea dumpling. So we have our happy sea dumpling.
Don't break it. And then there's a vinaigrette that goes with it, or the dumpling sauce.
That is gonna be.
Put it over your plate because it's really hot. You could pick it up a little bit with your chopsticks and just bite it a little bit, but the inside is hot because there's a soup inside.
Good. You said a
Got
little
crab
bite.
inside of it.
You said a little bite. I picked it.
Wow.
Thank you.
Supposed to do it calm, Anika. Okay, whatever.
Okay, what's that? Cut that in half so you share it.
Oh my gosh, that thing's hard. I barely even touched it.
Guys, look.
But there's still a little.
It's a meringue with a yuzu ice cream and blueberries.
Blueberry. Like some sort of song in the car. Where would it put?
Pool time. They probably made it up.
I definitely say.
Bella versus the automatic doors. There's no way she can lose this one. It's ginormous.
Wonder Woman. What? What? Oh, that's so pretty.
Proceed to the room.
Look, give me your butter beer.
Butter? You're over here. Come on up.
Bless.
And also snakes.
Well, the last time you pilfering.
That's our space ball.
The Lego box.
Can you smell the truffles on the fries?
Wasn't looking at you.
A little bit of the ube, a little bit of the mousse.
Way too much.
Santa's beard. You're eating Santa's beard.
So we just have to be.
Take a slight right turn.
So, I will be honest, Austin has never been my favorite place, but we have had an absolute phenomenal time. The restaurant scene here is otherworldly. It's absolutely incredible. The kids don't want to leave. They want to stay. They want to stay. They want to extend our stay just to keep going to different restaurant concepts, and I don't blame them.